All right, we've got a big announcement here that happened in September from Google Ads, and they announced that they will be removing their enhanced CPC, also known as eCPC, feature from search ads. One note, they removed this from shopping ads back allegedly in October last year, but we saw it kind of work on through the spring a little bit. And if you don't know what eCPC is, it allowed Google to either bid higher for a click that Google thought would lead to a conversion, or lower for a click that either would lead to more conversion or conversion value. And the key thing there is really being able to lower some of those clicks for queries that Google thinks really wouldn't work. And eCPC sounds kind of smart, but it's not technically considered to be smart bidding. Smart bidding within Google Ads is target CPA, or cost per acquisition or action, maximize conversions, or target return on ad spend, or maximize conversion value. And those later two go towards revenue, and the first two go towards conversion actions. So this announcement is a big deal if you are using eCPC currently, because starting in October, advertisers will no longer be able to set up a campaign that uses eCPC. And then in March 2025, March 15th and after, anything that's eCPC will default back to manual CPC. So what will happen on March 16th is essentially your bidding will get dumber, right? Because you're not going higher for those more valuable searchers and lower for those people that Google thinks won't convert. And there's a few things that you can do about it. If you are dead set on controlling your bids, you can use something like manual CPC. But the real move is to try to get to some sort of flavor of smart bidding. And what that'll do is really try to go after target, again, if you're doing target CPA or target return on ad spend, or if you've got lower budgets, you can use maximize conversion or maximize conversion value. You'll probably spend that entire budget each day, but Google will try to get as much return from there. And especially for anybody in the lead gen side of things, you need to have quality conversions. You don't just want to have a lead form out there. You don't want to have an email subscribe. You want to be able to sync up to your CRM and really define, okay, this person that came through is a marketing qualified lead, or maybe it's a sales qualified lead, and try to figure out where those quality conversions come from. And that's like the way to win with smart bidding, is passing the most detailed data back to Google Ads and saying, I want this, give me more of this, and I am willing to pay X for that. So there are going to be some challenges, especially in March of next year. And if you haven't switched over to smart bidding, or at least tested smart bidding, and you can still have your manual CPC there if you want, and make sure you have a high impression share, I strongly recommend that you do so. Smart bidding is the future here in Google Ads. And also, like, you kind of really need good conversions to use Performance Max these days. So especially on the lead gen side of things, we see it work all the time, but only for really, really qualified down the funnel conversions. And this, you can think of it as like a wake-up call. You know, if you haven't embraced smart bidding yet, now is the time. You've got till March 15th to really get through there. And of course, if you ever need any help, reach out to us at cypressnorth.com and we'll gladly help. Thanks.